Hey guys, Coco Mizamin. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time, please kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit your notification bell so that anytime I drop a new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Okay guys, let me show you guys how I install my 360, how I install this week. This week that I'm going to install right now. The wig is 360. Okay, first of all, I put on my transparent cap, HD cap. So guys, after doing that, I use my foundation to dye the cap, to dye the HD cap. After doing that, I just make sure that I use my shade of my foundation to dye my hair too, so that the HD cap can go with my skin too. That's my foundation, the color and the shade of my foundation. That is what I use. After using that, guys, I use after that I use my glue. I use this glue this is the first time that I use this glue. This is first layer, and I don't apply too much, guys, because when you apply too much, when you are going to put on the wig, it's going to be rough for front. That is why it's not good to apply too much. This is the second one. After applying the second one, and I use my coat to spread it. After doing that, I used a dryer to dry it for the second time. After doing that, guys, yes, I use spray. This a spray, able spray to spray it, because I want it to be last maybe 2 days to 3 days. That's how I took my cap, because I want it to be last for me. I don't want something that I will just put on right now and later I did after taking my bath is it removed. No, I need something that would last for me for not too long, like 3 days to 4 days. Yeah, after doing that, you see, just lay on my head. Everything just the shade just go with my skin tone, and there's no difference between my skin and the cap. You see, there's no, even when I was cutting the lace frontal, I see the frontal and on my hair very well. I need to use my hand to spread it up so that I can see, so that I will not apply the glue on another place. This is the back. After doing the back, I still use the same way I do the front. That is how I do the back. After doing that, make sure that you use your hand dryer to make sure that you dry it very well. To fix the back of your 360 of your wig on is not easy, no. If you are not a professional, it's going to be difficult for even a professional. It's still difficult for a professional little bit. I'm not a professional yet, but I'm trying, because this is what I do for a living. And after doing that, I use my spirit, because I have a spirit. I use alcohol to remove all the glue, because very important, you need to use your alcohol to remove all the glue on it. Yeah, after doing that, I use my wax. This is wax I use. After using the wax, I use my hot comb to make sure that I comb it and make it flat, very 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 flat, for you to enjoy your 360. This is the part I love for enjoying 360. I don't just like doing 360 and fling it. No, I don't like doing my 360 like that. This is the part I love of doing my 360. After doing that, just make sure that I just weave it. This is not I just weave, losing wave. I just lose it a little bit and use it to round the hair. You see, I bring out another Italy style to weave it, and it looks so beautiful on me after doing this hair and doing my makeup on it. Yes, sorry, this is when I was curling the front of the hair. This is it. After doing that, voila, this is me, guys. Thank you so much for watching my video, and may God continue to bless you all. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share. Learn from this, and we all are learning.